to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
That same hand goes up and we say,
I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams.
All right, let's go ahead and jump right into our calendar. Today is Thursday, January 7th, 2021. So Thursday, January 7th. Just a reminder, friends, we will not have school tomorrow because Mrs. Mazingo and Mrs. Hill have to go to school ourselves. And we have some stuff that we need to learn tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be Friday the 8th.
Can you close that door for me, please?
Saturday will be Saturday the 9th. And Sunday will be the 10th. And we will see you guys back on Monday. And hopefully we will be in school. And we will see you in school on Monday. So let's go ahead and we're going to say the days of the week. We're going to do our days of the week song.
Days of the week. 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 Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Good job. All right, let's go ahead and work on our pattern. So our pattern is a snowman, snowman, penguin, penguin. So can you guys help me work on this pattern and tell me what comes next? All right, here we go. Snowman, snowman, penguin, penguin. Snowman, snowman. What do you think goes here?
Penguin.
Penguin. Good job. All right, let's try again. Snowman, snowman. Penguin, penguin. Snowman, snowman. Penguin.
Ooh, yes. It's all down below. Penguin. Good job.
Good job. All right, let's do Saturday and Sunday too. Ready? Snowman, snowman. Penguin,
penguin. Snowman, snowman. Penguin, penguin.
Snowman. Good job. And then what do you think is going to be next here? Another snowman.
Yeah, I saw that. Good job. Please be quiet.
See, yesterday we said that it was going to be windy today, and it is windy outside. But there's something else outside too. What is it doing outside today? What else is it doing out there? Is it sunny or is it cloudy?
Sunny.
Sunny. Good. All right, let's make a prediction. What do we think tomorrow's weather is going to be like? And we'll put it down here in our prediction box. So what do you think the weather is going to be like tomorrow? You think it's going to be sunny?
Yes.
Sunny. Okay. All right, friends, let's go ahead and we're going to say our ABCs. Ready? A, B,
C,
D,
D, E,
F,
F, G,
H,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Good job. All right, we're going to count to 20. Here we go. 1, 2,
3,
4,
5, 6,
6,
7,
7, 8,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13, 14, 15,
16,
17,
17, 18,
19,
20.
All right, can you help me count backwards from 10? We're going to start off quietly. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off!
Alrighty, Mrs. Mazingo, do you want to unmute some of our friends for our
Sure will.
shapes and colors?
Yes, ma'am.
3, 4, knock the door or open the door. 5, 6, pick up 6, 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Let's go ahead and 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 2, buckle my shoe. 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up 6, 7, 8, lay them. 9, 10,
Oh, I always get tricked on that.
letters that we have already worked on are L. L says ooh.
Oh.
F. F says like that lip. E. E says and now the letter H for house, helicopter, and Hulk. All make the sound. Good job. I see some of our friends doing it. All right.
start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Would you start your letters at the top? Ronan, come get your food. And you need to be quiet. All right, Ronan.